Hi mga pagga! Welcome back to my channel! So we are here now in Giwanon Cold Spring in Tabugon. So this is how it looks like. So, di ko kay bawa mo lang ha, pero ay, ginukulor tabang.
Nagilom-lom, nagilom.
Hindi, palangoy ako rin. Hindi ba ano yung gilom? Hindi na alam. Sige.
Serasa lagi nagawa mo ng wala na ay. Hey Claire, okay ba? With Russell, si Russell kamong swimmer. Batang pasok mo lang uy. Pero kung nagduha-duha kayo nalaglayat day. Sige, nag-discuss pa sila karon kung nagpa pa sila guys. Step 1. So, if you can see, the water is very clear, as in crystal clear. Very cool. So, this is my dili na sa kusog mga pangga ha. We will be going to Tabuelan, our next stop. See you later. Bye-bye.